We seek out externally to return to ourselves internally. 有时我人看出去窗仔的时，我人咪是看到外口的物件，哈你窗仔看倒对我人，了问倒对家己，到底我人真是一罪人。As Carl Jung said, who looks outside dreams, who looks inside awakens. Both are necessary, and that's the tension of dualism we play. How can you return to your true self if you don't become someone else you are not in the beginning? So, get一本册，去读。The authors have lived. Now it's our turn. 了事。